We're at a pivotal moment in the pursuit of reproductive rights and healthcare access in Utah.
Utah's near total ban on abortion now facing scrutiny in the state Supreme Court.
It was a major hearing at the Matheson Courthouse today on the future of Utah's abortion trigger law.
Fox 13 News political reporter Ben Winslow was in court and has the latest.
For more than 4 hours in a packed courtroom, the 5 justices of the Utah Supreme Court heard a challenge to Utah's abortion trigger law.
The people of Utah, through their elected representatives, have prohibited abortion in except in limited circumstances since before the state's founding.
Hands off our bodies! When the U.S. Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade, Utah's abortion trigger law went into effect. It bans abortion in nearly all circumstances, with exceptions for rape, incest, and health of the mother. Planned Parenthood of Utah sued, and a lower court judge blocked the law, allowing abortions to continue.
Is there a right to bodily autonomy or bodily integrity?
The Utah Supreme Court is now considering whether the lower court judge made a mistake in issuing the injunction. The state of Utah wants it overturned. The justices asked questions ranging from if Planned Parenthood has standing to even bring a lawsuit, a recent court change on what can get an injunction, to Utah's constitutional clause that guarantees equality and whether that applies to abortion.
Could the state outlaw vasectomies and not implicate any constitutional right?
At the time of the vasectomy, it is one person, whereas at the time of the abortion, it is two people. Again, Utah code recognizes the unborn child as a person.
Your argument is that an abortion may be necessary to the exercise of other rights that are explicitly enumerated in the Utah Constitution, correct?
That's correct, Your Honor, yes. Regardless of what people thought about abortion in 1895, equality today for the women of Utah requires access to abortion.
This doesn't decide the constitutionality of Utah's abortion trigger law, but whether the lawsuit can actually proceed. The abortion trigger ban remains on hold pending the lawsuit. The justices took the case under advisement. No timeline when they'll issue a ruling.
We care about the unborn. We want to protect life, and we've tried to, build a law that, does prohibit elective abortions and does everything we can to protect women.
The bill's sponsor says he's tried to strike a balance.
Every Utahn deserves the right to make their own medical decisions, to be in charge of that decision making, and to get the care they want or need, free from political interference.
Both sides left hopeful the court will see things their way.
Litigation will continue regardless, and we feel very good about the final outcome.
Yeah, same here. I mean, of course it's going to be continued litigation. They're not going to stop. It'll go on for quite some time. But we'll win. Babies will win.
At the Matheson Courthouse, Ben Winslow, Fox 13 News, Utah.